The sun shone brightly over the savannah, and the birds were filled with joy. A colorful parrot fluttered in with a golden scroll. It was an invitation to a grand feast in the sky. The birds chirped and flapped excitedly. News like this didn't come every day. Hidden behind the tall grass, Tortoise listened closely, his eyes lit up with curiosity and a plan. He wanted to go too, even though he had no wings. With sweet words and a friendly smile, Tortoise asked the birds for help. Moved by kindness, each bird gave him one feather. Soon, he had enough to make wings of his own. Up they flew, Tortoise clumsily flapping beside the birds. The sky stretched wide, and the clouds danced like pillows. It was more wonderful than he had imagined. When they reached the palace in the clouds, Tortoise couldn't believe his eyes. Golden fruits, shiny dishes, and sweet scents floated everywhere. But then, he got greedy. "This feast is for all of you," he said. "And my name is all of you." And with that, he ate everything, leaving nothing for the birds. Hurt and disappointed, the birds quietly took back their feathers. One by one, his wings disappeared. Tortoise begged for help, but they turned away. Only the parrot flew to warn his wife, "Lay something soft outside. Your husband is falling." But the message got twisted, and she laid out hard tools instead. Down he came, tumbling from the sky, landing with a loud crack beside his heart. Since that day, his shell has never looked the same. And now, young animals gather to hear the tale of the greedy tortoise who flew too high, and the lesson he learned the hard way.